the Karwan here, and you're here because you want your free funnels, high converting funnels in many different niches. Okay, you're in the right place. Okay, I have 8 clients right now, which like very various niches. I have a dentist, I have a chiro, I have a realtor, I have a car dealership, I have a yoga studio, and I'm giving you all my converting funnels. Okay, I'm giving them to you for free. I'm not sure why. I mean, you didn't really, you're not a hot girl I want to impress, right? So I'm not sure. I mean, I'm giving to you. I'm giving these funnels to you just for your email so I can send you valuable information about SMMA. Mostly, if you're interested in SMMA, I'm not sure why you wouldn't give me your email because I want to help the community. That's my goal here. And also, like, these funnels are proven to work, okay? Like, these are funnels of clients I have currently and I've been working for the past 6 months up to 1 year with, okay? And I have been generating results. For example, for my dentist, it's like $4.20. Ironically, it's 420, but anyways, or like 419 for a teeth cleaning, 50% off. For my realtor, it's like $9 for a call, like $2,000 percent off. But they are high converting is what I want to say. Like tried and tested. You don't need to like waste your clients' money. So download them below. Put your email in for free. And that's enjoy your free funnels, I guess.